Hey guys, Matthew with Tactical Comms, and I'm here today with a review video. I'm really excited about this review video because it's a young company, it's an entrepreneur, it's somebody that saw a gap and said, hey, I think I can meet this need. And the company is Tigrett Outdoors. Tigrett Outdoors, speaking with the owner, he recognized that a lot of people use the Baofeng radio for whatever the case may be, tactical, amateur radio, whatever you're doing with it. This video is not to say whether Baofeng is or isn't a good radio. It is to say that he recognized there's a lot of people using these radios, and there weren't a lot of accessories that he liked for the tactical environment. So he developed and produced two different types of headset adapters, and these headset adapters specifically are designed to work with the Walker headset. As a side note, I have fallen in love with the Walker headsets. Walkers, those things are phenomenal. One of the reasons that Tigrett decided that they wanted to use the Walkers was that if the battery dies on the Walkers, it will still pass the audio through from the radio to the headset. That's really cool to me. You still have the audio. Now, he makes two different types. The first one he has, and he sent this to me as a disclaimer. Tigrett sent these to me, asked me if I would be willing to do a review video. It took me a little while to get it done. I'm sorry, Tigrett, but it is. There's two different types. Both of them have a coiled earpiece. They're very well produced. They come in a nice package. The biggest difference, the only two difference is in the pack itself. The two different versions, you have one that's got a mounted clip and then the other that has a Velcro clip that will allow you to dismount from the cable assembly. The cable assembly has a microphone, has a small push-to-talk button. It can be mounted anywhere on your kit, you know, wherever you choose to mount it, but you want it close that you're not having to be loud with your microphone. It's got two different wires. You've got one wire that will plug into the Walker's headset, standard connections and nomenclature. Then the other will connect this to Kenwood connector. I played with it with Baofeng, TYT, several different brands. The Quansheng radio, it all worked fine. The one thing that the owner did ask me to convey is that these cables are designed to work with the UV-5R. They have not been tested with digital radios, and he said that wasn't what he designed them for. He designed them specifically for the UV-5R. So if you're using a UV-5R, this is a good option for you. The kit mounts very nicely in your plate carrier or in your gear. Maybe if you're just wearing an overcoat or something like that, you're working an event. It's a great little setup. Audio worked very well. I was pleasantly surprised with the audio at the range.
All right, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do you copy?
So far, audio sounds good.
That sounds good on my end too, while he's firing.
The Tigrett kit does not include any kind of noise canceling software or hardware. It's just a straight microphone and audio connection to the UV-5R. But again, for the price point, he tried to make something that would work well for the Baofeng radios. My thoughts are this is a great kit for the money. If you're a UV-5R user and you're looking for something to give you just a little bit more hearing protection that will interface with your headset, maybe you don't have the money for the high-end Peltors, the Comtacs, some of those things, Walkers would be a great option for you. You can pick them up. I picked up several pairs for $40, and they really do work. I've been very pleased with them. The Tigrett Outdoors kit connects directly with the Walkers, and then you connect that to whatever radio you're carrying. Again, pleasantly surprised. Take a look at Tigrett Outdoors. They've got a lot of different options and features that are out there. I highly recommend them. Super customer support. Talking with the owner, hearing his mission, hearing his heart and what he's trying to do, I think they're good folks, and I think they're making a good product. With Tactical Comms, stay safe.